What's up everybody, Fritz here. In today's video we're going to be replacing the oil pressure sensor on the M235i. If you guys are following along in the video series, you know that last week we installed the front sway bar, and in that process, when I was removing the engine support, the tow hook that holds it into place, I didn't pull it out straight and I broke the oil pressure sensor. So I need a new one. Good thing that my friends over here at SV Bimmer had the part available and I was able to pick it up, because anywhere else I would have to special order it and it would take more than a week. So this is the part that I broke right here, right where the electronic component meets the nut. I snapped that off. This is a whole piece right here that you do have to get. Now to get your oil pressure sensor back on, all that you have to do is pop open the hood and remove the engine cover. Then right next to the oil filter housing is your oil pressure sensor. Here you can see exactly where I broke mine. So go ahead and push down on this tab and remove the connection. Grab a 24mm wrench to loosen the pressure sensor and remove it. Now it's as easy as putting in the new sensor, tightening it back down with that 24mm wrench, reapplying the connection, then just put back on the engine cover and close the hood. And just like that, you guys are all done installing the oil pressure sensor on your BMW. And again, this was a mistake that didn't need to happen. So when you're removing that tow hook, doing the front sway bar, just remember to pull straight up and not at an angle like I did. And if you guys are wondering why the rear sway bar video isn't out right now, it's because these videos take a little bit of time to make. I want to try to pack as much information as I can in the shortest amount of time possible. So that video will be out next week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, but I hope that you didn't need to watch this video, and I'll see all of you guys in that one.